People just mill like ants from a hill. Tempers erupt with desire to kill. Water just spills from an overflow drain. I'm walking with you in the cold and rain. Taxi cab pass like a blur in the night, hurtling past like a wild bird in flight. Down in the subway, the sound of the train, we're sheltering there from the cold and rain. Now I can remember when I was a child, the lure of the bright lights was driving me wild. The thrill and excitement ran round in my brain, all now diluted by cold and rain. I'm older and wiser, and now I can see the sunshine and music is coming to me. Life in the city for me is a pain, and I don't want to stay in the cold and the rain.